Molweni Bafundi, we move on to lecture 9 after lecture 8 where we revised the verbs and we did an exercise changing positive statements to negative. We now move on to reception where we complete a form using the two words Zalisa and Filisha to complete or fill in. First statement, Kulungile masiyifilishe le fomu. Alright, let us it filisha, which has become filishe le fomu, this form. Masiyifilishe le fomu. Gubani igama lakho? Ngu ... igama lam. Gubani ifani yakho? Ngu ... ifani yam. Ithini i-adresi yakho? What is your address? Literally, what does it say? Ithi 85 9th Avenue, Summerstrand. What is your contact number at home? Ithini i-phone number yakho ekhaya? You give a number. Ithini i-phone number yakho emsebenzini? You give a number. Unayo i-cell phone? Do you own a cell phone? Most people will say Ndinayo, but there may be some who will say Andinayo. Ithini i-number? And again, you give the number. Your next of kin, umntu ozalana naye. Your next of kin, it could be umama, utata. Inamba yakhe, his or her number. Et, and then you give the number. Utshatile, are you married? Those of us who are will say ewe nditshatile. Those of us who are not will say anditshatanga, or andikatshati, not married yet. Your date of birth, wazalwa nini? Ndazalwa nge-25 ka-May 1996, by way of an example. Where were you born? Wazalelwa phi? Ndazalelwa eBhayi. What work do you do? Uyintoni emsebenzini? Ndingumongikazi. I am a nurse. Ndingumntu woncedo lokuqala. Ndingumntu woncedo lokuqala. And if you don't work, andiphangeli. Unayo i-medical aid? Ewe ndinayo. Hayi andinayo. Yes, I do have one, and no, I do not have one. Eyiphi? Which one? Discovery, by way of an example. Ithini inamba yakho? Ithi, and then you give the number. Unalo, take note, now it is unalo ikhadi and not unayo ikhadi. Unalo ikhadi apha kuwe. Ewe ndinalo. Hayi andinalo. I do have it and I do not have it. Luthini udidi lwakho lwegazi? And what is your blood group? Udidi lwakho lwegazi. The word for blood is igazi. And you could respond by saying O positive. Okay, you've now completed the form, and you will say to the person, kulungile, sayina apa, sign here, ezansi, at the bottom of the page. Kulungile, sayina apa, ezansi. The person then signs saying kulungile, and you will conclude the conversation, inkosi, hamba kakuhle, and so on. So that concludes this little video. Inkosi bafundi, hambani kakuhle.